What's up everybody, Mikey Cologne here, and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes to a photo shoot in the island of St. Croix. I was there to shoot Shavon and Sam's destination wedding, and before the rehearsal we decided to take photos on the beach. It was a bit overcast, but believe it or not, it was a perfect weather to shoot portraits. Plus it's easier to work with people as they're not squinting, and I can shoot anywhere as my exposure stays the same. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy the video as much as I did shooting it.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burning.
Whisper something dirty.
You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fan.
Alright, I think you went too far.
And I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did.
Perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yesterday, you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy.
I give you a countdown. You're gonna run and jump on his back. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road,
Try and stay on the water this time, because the splashes will do justice on the pictures. You ready? Alright, let's go. Yeah, what? Run, run, run. That was good.
don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you.
Alright, that's good. I like that. Don't move, Sam. That's awesome. I like that. And Shavon, look at him. And then, just pretend like you guys heard something hilarious. Just like laugh. There you go. Yes, I like that. That's good shit right there. No, that's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, one of those lucid dreams.